Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I am bringing you a quick guide on how to transfer teams in college football 25. If you are all ready to switch schools in Road to Glory, this is how it's done. Make sure you are at the end of your season. That's the key. Once the season wrap up, you will see two options. Enter the transfer portal and advanced week. Now here's the deal. If you choose advanced week, you will stay on the same team. So if you are ready to go for a fresh start, hit enter the transfer portal. Once you are in, you will see a menu that lets you pick your new school. Scroll through, select the team you want. I went for Cyrus because I want to lead them to the championship. After you choose, hit that confirmation button and boom, you are officially transferred. Just a head up, your position on the depth chart might take a hit, but you will work your way up in no time. And that's it. Transferring team in college football 25 made simple. If this helped you out, drop a like, leave a comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.